Hi students, welcome to your first module for IRW 0311. So you have had another module before, right? We have done the start here where we're getting familiar with everything, and we call that module 0. It's a starting point. But here's where we're going to start getting into the content and preparing you for success in IRW. So we will discuss this in much more depth during our class meeting, but this is just a quick little video to touch base with you and kind of show you around and what's going on in our next module. You have a module overview, so if you click on that, it gives you some information, an introduction, where this video is located, for example. And you're going to notice that we have 2 different lessons on 2 different topics that are part of our module and part of our reading for this week. So chapter 1 is all about how to prepare you to be successful for reading and writing and to be successful in the course and even beyond that, because this is a foundational course. So one of the topics is emotional intelligence. So inside each folder, you're going to have some materials, resources, and assignments. So one of the new types of assignments that you'll be doing this week, which is kind of similar to the one you did, the adaptive learning assignment you did in your Start Here module, but it's a little bit different. Think of it like a chapter with questions to test your knowledge. So you do have an overview video here that I recommend you watch first before you start the Connect Lab assignment, which is your interactive reading. SB stands for Smart Book. You have a couple little pieces. Sometimes I do quick snips from your book just for easy access so you don't always have to go in your ebook to look up some of the key things. So I have a little click on this and you'll see some of the strategies that are important to remember. I have supplemented some of the content here with videos that I think are very good or helpful for you as students to kind of bring those concepts to you in more of a visual audio format. So you have that. And then you have a journal assignment. This is your first. You're going to have 2 journal assignments this week. This is the first one where you're going to be asked to write and reflect. And if you click this, it gives you all the instructions and the prompt with specific questions for you to answer in your reflection. Think of journals as kind of more of a free writing, not as scrutinized as, say, other more formal assignments or summative assignments like essays, okay? So then when you finish that part, you'll go into the critical thinking side of things, and they are related, so they're not really separate. But I think it helps to kind of explore each concept on its own, which is why it's designed this way. So you do have, I've given you guys a couple little overview type of presentations just to, introduce you to the content. Another quick snip from your textbook. Videos. Again, some videos that I think are very helpful. There's going to be a few videos in this one. There is an in-class activity sneak peek for the following week, so you don't have to have this prepared this week, but we'll come back to this in our next class meeting, which will be our 3rd class meeting. You do have a couple videos that are kind of, I love Mel Robbins. I think she has a lot of great support for everybody, not just students. And so this is a topic of procrastination, something a lot of us struggle with. A video on how to manage your time as students. You do have a comprehension quiz. So this is a quiz grade, and you have 2 attempts to do this. And there are some, when you click this to open, you'll be able to review all of the guidelines and things you need to know about the quiz. And again, you'll end on another journal assignment because I want you guys to kind of just get in your own headspace for a little bit and think about things. And we'll probably have our discussion on this a little more during our class meeting. Okay, everybody, well, I hope this gets you off to a good start. If you have any questions or concerns, bring them to class or reach out and let me know. Have a wonderful week, everyone.